Ready to level up your Ubisoft game collection while keeping your financial info secure? First, head over to the Ubisoft Store either through your web browser or the Ubisoft Connect launcher. Make sure you're logged into your Ubisoft account. Browse through the awesome selection of games and in-game content until you find something you like, then click the Add to Cart button. Once you've added everything you want, click on the shopping cart icon, typically located in the upper right corner, and then proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, you'll see a list of available payment methods. Scroll through and select Paysafecard. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter your 16-digit Paysafecard PIN. If you have multiple Paysafecard PINs, you can enter them to combine their value. After entering your PIN, confirm the payment. You should then see a confirmation screen from Ubisoft, indicating that your purchase was successful. And that's it. Your game or in-game content will now be available in your Ubisoft Connect library. Enjoy your purchase with the peace of mind that comes with secure gaming.